guys, and welcome to a new vlog. It's Friday today and we are officially leaving Hanoi and we're on our way to Halong Bay.
Yeah, it's about a 2-hour drive and then we get to, what's the cruise name?
A heritage cruise.
Cruise.
Yeah, we'll only be on the cruise for 24 hours, but we're gonna make the absolute best of this 24 hours.
Yeah, Halong Bay is one of the most famous places to visit when you come to Vietnam.
Absolutely, everyone.
So we're pretty excited.
Halong Bay, yeah.
Again, it could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you,
Bye, thank you. Thank you so
Come
much.
shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's you, right next to you, next to you.
Our boat is just outside the harbour, so it's about a 20-minute transfer to our boat.
We have to wear these compulsory life jackets. Don't know why, but it's on.
It's in case you fall into the water, but I will save it. I did life saving.
Next to you, next to you. Never thought I'd feel this high. The sky has never felt this close. And
A hot towel and a welcome drink. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
all of mine.
It's like a nice bar here.
My goodness. This is stunning.
Please say it's hot.
It's gonna be very cold.
Please say it's warm.
I know it's gonna be very cold. Oh, it's actually not that cold. But the weather is not too hot.
I'll definitely swim in this. We're gonna swim in this, we have to. Boat's moving.
The boat is squaring her up. Don't get near the water.
Amazing.
To you, next to you.
Where am I going?
Look on the left. The gym with a view.
Oh my word. Okay, this is officially the best view with any gym that we've ever had. Officially.
Okay, so are you gonna do the treadmill and I'll do the
The
steppy step thing?
Yes.
And this might be even better. Turn this way. Look at this.
In the
It's just one.
bathroom?
If you're sitting on the toilet, this is your view.
That's insane.
It might just get a little bit awkward if you pass another boat, but that's life. What a view.
Thank you very much. Thank you. We are room 108, so we have a captain suite. So I'm so excited. Our luggage already here. And then lunch literally starts within the next 5 minutes, so we gotta do this quick. Real quick, I want to say a big thanks to BetterHelp for sponsoring this video. In case you've never heard of BetterHelp, they're the world's largest therapy service and it's 100% online, which means no matter where you are in the world, you can talk to your own licensed professional therapist from the comfort of your own home or even from a cruise ship. And what's really cool is you can message your therapist anytime when you need them. BetterHelp has over 20,000 therapists with a wide range of expertise. So in order to get matched up with the one that's right for you, all you have to do is a quick quiz and answer some questions about yourself. Then BetterHelp will match you with whoever best meets your needs. And you can start communicating with them within 48 hours. But don't worry, if you're not connecting well with your therapist, they make it easy and free to change to someone new if you need to. Therapy is such an amazing tool. And it being online not only makes it more convenient, but also a lot less intimidating. Plus, it's a lot more affordable than traditional therapy. So if you're ready to join over 2 million people taking charge of their mental health, you can get 10% off your first month at BetterHelp if you use the link in our description below, which is betterhelp.com/Charl and Christine. That's BetterHelp, H-E-L-P. Okay, back to the video. Oh my goodness.
Nice.
Oh, wow. This bed looks so comfy.
This bed is huge.
This looks amazing. Angel, wait. I need to open the blinds.
Private balcony.
Look at our balcony. It's
Private balcony. I'm definitely gonna jump into the water from my balcony.
Oh my goodness. Oh, I don't know why we have another bed. No
So
one else
I'm
is
sleeping.
coming.
Are you sleeping there and I have this bed to myself?
Look at this nice seating area. And I
This
know-
is so nice. Look at this view.
She mentioned the fruit is complimentary as well.
Nice. Look at the bathroom.
Oh my goodness.
And you have the bath.
Wait.
Please open that.
Give me a second. Oopsie. Love, I'm not doing it correctly.
Just keep
Oh,
going.
there we
Just
go,
keep
there we
going.
go,
Just
there
keep
we go.
going. Oh my.
So
I'm
I'm
definitely gonna take a bath like this.
Take a bath.
It's a jacuzzi bath, like little holes for bubbles.
And
the settings.
Yeah.
View from the bath.
Look at the shower
And
as
a
well.
nice. This is actually a pretty big bathroom.
Oh my goodness. We're not gonna have enough hours to do everything.
No, we don't.
Wow.
This is great.
This is amazing.
Nice room.
Thank you very much.
very much.
you. We have our names printed.
Literally table reserved for us. Oysters, grilled pork ribs,
Bok choy, mixed fried rice, stir beef,
stir-fry
sweet and sour clams, steamed prawns with coconut milk, braised chicken with coconut milk, corn soup with chicken and mushroom, and pumpkin soup with cream.
Everything looks amazing
I
on
know.
everything.
Let's start.
We're literally on top of the water.
This is absolutely beautiful. And it's so serene, hey? You don't even hear the boat. And we're moving.
So peaceful.
Oh, wow. Imagine having your morning coffee, yeah? Sitting on the seats and
Definitely having our
relaxing.
coffees here tomorrow morning.
The weather is actually a lot better than I expected it to be.
It's fantastic. No wind.
Yeah. So we have an hour and a half to relax now, and then the ship has a few different activities that they organize for you, and you can join in if you want to. At 3 p.m. there's an art tour. We're not gonna go to the
I'm
art
gonna get
tour.
an art tour.
And then at 3:30 there is the kayaking. So we'll be
And swimming.
kayaking and swimming. I don't know if I'll be swimming. This water feels quite cold. He might be swimming.
I might.
But we're definitely gonna kayak. It's along a certain bay. I just have to check the name again. I'll add it here. I'll pop it up here. This is so quiet and nice. But now we're gonna relax for an hour before we go on the kayaking.
Just look at it. It's beautiful. Look how beautiful this is. This is what I came here for.
We're on the top deck and Charl is trying to get some drone footage. Succeeding! Wow, this top deck is nice and big as well. Lounge chairs for the sun. The sun just came out and it's absolutely gorgeous. I can't believe the amazing weather we are getting.
Some now is gone, I'm latching on. Don't even know your name, but you're still in my head. Underneath rays of gold.
We're in quite a big of a rush right now. We took some drone footage while the weather was so nice because the sun came out. But now we want to go do the kayaking. Now I want to go do the kayaking, and they started I think about 15 or 20 minutes ago. Hopefully we can quickly catch it. It looks so nice. We made it just in time. They literally took out a boat for us. Thank you so much. Come on. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, we made it. So I'm on footage duty, therefore I cannot row, and Charl needs to do all of the rowing for us. I'm just gonna relax and enjoy the view. This is insane.
This is amazing.
So Charl mentioned in a previous vlog that when I get excited, I write a song. And I feel we need a song. So this song is Row, row, row your boat gently in Halong Bay.
I'm gonna stop rowing.
And what's the rest of the song? Something
I'm not
down
gonna
the
tell
street.
you.
I think we should turn around and think we may go this far.
No.
Always being illegal, love. Always being illegal.
See how far we can go.
You're such a rebel.
We're so far away from the others.
Ooh, I stopped myself now. Is it that?
Yeah, you're doing it right. You're on your own. I actually don't know the rest.
To that peak
That peak,
over there.
we'll get there in 2 months.
It might take us 1 month, but I will get us there.
How peaceful do you feel on a scale? On a scale of 1 to heaven.
Heaven.
This girl looks like she is rowing towards. She's so unmotivated.
That over there is Katba Island. Katba Island is the largest island in Halong Bay, and we actually would have stayed there for 2 nights on the island itself. But that would have happened during our June-July vacation plans, but unfortunately because our Tate holiday is a lot shorter than our original plans, we can't stay there anymore. We literally don't have enough time to do everything that we want to. But if you are doing Halong Bay, I would definitely suggest trying to get Katba Island in as well. There are a few resorts. They are more to the expensive side and a lot more rural because it's on an island, but oh, it does look amazing. We have the Captain Suite, and it's that one right there. The water is freezing, and Charl just decided he wants to jump in.
You're only in Halong Bay once in your life.
This is gonna be freezing. How cold is it?
Very cold. It's strong. What did he say? I'm strong.
Yes. He said you're very strong for doing that. Well done, babe.
Everything is pinching.
Is that water warmer?
No.
Colder.
Cold. Just to get the salt water.
You're like a kayak.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
I very quickly just got ready and dressed. It's 5 p.m. so they'll be serving pastries and coffee and tea at the top deck. So we got snacks, we got the drone, we got the camera, and we're taking pictures. There's no one else outside. I think it's because of the wind.
Yeah, definitely.
It's getting quite chilly, I'm not gonna lie, but we need to get the pictures.
They just got their snacks and went inside. We got our snacks and it's still waiting for us.
Need to let you know that I need you tonight. You should know that I miss you.
Now that we're done with taking all of our content and all of our footage, now we're gonna relax and eat our snacks.
And get warm.
Yeah, and warm up a bit. We're eating snacks now and we're probably eating dinner in like an hour's time, but whatever. We're eating on this trip a lot.
We're eating a lot. I had so much for the buffet lunch.
It was so good, you
so
guys.
good.
It was amazing. The oysters.
I must have eaten like 120 prawns.
Oh yeah. It was so good.
What are we making?
Bánh xèo.
Bánh xèo.
Crispy cake.
Crispy cake.
I'm really bad with chopsticks. I usually eat my sushi with my hands, so Charl is gonna pick it up for me.
And oh my goodness, okay, now I'm being bad.
Oh wow. Love, you're gonna be a real chef tonight. Let's see if you learned something here.
Like this?
Sao? Nói cho mẹ tại sao? Này, nói cho mẹ tại sao?
Do you want to help
Yes.
and add some ingredients? A little bit more onions.
If I can
Go,
get
go,
it.
go, go, go.
Is that
And
enough,
meat,
love?
and meat.
You're a good chef, babe.
Welcome to tonight's show of Cooking Vietnamese.
This look like the process of Gordon Ramsay.
Jordan Ramsay.
Vietnamese Gordon Ramsay.
Whoa. Well
I'm
done.
Professional. Thank you. Thank you.
You can flip it like that. Woo!
I want you to taste it first. I'm scared.
Oh wow.
Is it nice?
It's really, really good. Yours is better.
You're not.
Previous
You're
one.
not poisoned yet. Okay, it's safe. I can eat it now.
It's actually really impressive. It's good, right?
I'm in the wrong industry.
You should have been a chef.
I should be a chef.
For dinner tonight, we have to get dressed in these traditional Vietnamese outfits.
It's pretty cool.
We have no idea why, but we think it's very cool. So let's quickly get dressed.
I'll be dreaming about
Let's
this
go
till
to
the end. We are young, we are free.
We're eating at the Bottom restaurant for dinner tonight. You look so cute, my love. Thank you. Our menu for the night. Ooh, that does not work. I'm just gonna fill it all. I want it fancy.
You need help.
No, I'm fine. Okay. Ooh, let me see. We're gonna have a lot of good food that we're gonna show you. En ons wil nie weet wat ons gaan kry.
Ik kan nog steeds. Kijk je excited gezegd.
I'm not gonna tell you, I'm gonna show you, but I'm gonna tell you because I'm too excited.
Nothing but food can make her this excited.
Gotta get a bit down.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And cheers.
And this one is mine, and this
Thank
one
you.
is... Cheers.
Cheers.
We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got to stay forever.
So with this dish, you get jellyfish at the bottom.
How cool is that? This is the first time that we're eating jellyfish, right? It's your first time?
My first time.
What does it taste like?
Like absolutely nothing.
Oh, really?
Crunchy.
Texture, yeah.
Crunchy. But it tastes like nothing.
This is our first main course. It's a chicken roll with moss and then a seafood roll.
So this is our main meal. Fourth meal for the night. Got a nice big chunk of sea bass, mashed potatoes, shrimp, piece of broccoli, fried rice, and veal duck, which is like some sort of clam, and tamarind sauce.
For dessert, we have mousse and fresh fruit and a pink sauce. Ooh, the sauce is nice and sweet.
So we just finished our fine dining dinner, which was amazing, but we're gonna greet you here for tonight. Thanks so much guys for watching. Join us in our next vlog as we explore the rest of Halong Bay. Goodbye.
Bye! So Charl came up with this genius idea to take the third bed. It's one single mattress. Is it heavy, babe?
Kind of.
Kind of.
Very doable.
So we're gonna take the mattress and we are going to take it outside on our balcony and enjoy the night view. You can't see it here. We're gonna put it out on the balcony. Should I help you?
It's okay.
Are you making it?
I think so.
Okay, wait. I'll open it for you. Well done, babe.
I'm stuck.
Oh no, really?
I'm stuck.
Wait. We probably should have moved the chairs first. Ooh, I should have put on a jacket first. It's cold. My goodness. You probably should have moved the chairs first, babe.
Yes, I should have.
I just quickly put on a jacket, I'm cold.
Okay.
Is it working?
It's definitely working. Underwater.
Can you see the water? Can you see it by lying down? Oh, there you can see it now.
The water is like 2 meters under us.
Yeah.
We can see it because the lights slide it up, so
Look at this magnificent bed.
it's quite comfy too.
And do you know how late it is, love?
No.
I think it's 11:30 p.m.
That means you better come lie down.
because we have an early morning. I was wrong. It's 11:45. Okay, we're quickly gonna enjoy this, and then we're going back to bed. Okay.
In 7 days, 'cause I've been up till 6 a.m. Wrote 5 songs all just for you.